Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, GLM is back in the market and they have published their own OCR model. It is GLM OCR and this time it is beating all other OCR that got published. And you see it is beating PaddleOCR 1.5 and PaddleOCR 1.5 recently published 2 days ago, and I also made the video, and also it is beating DeepseekOCR 2. DeepseekOCR 2 also got published 2 days ago, and also it is beating Gemini 3 Pro and also GPT 5.2 on the visual document understanding. Okay, and also I have tried this model on their free website, which is the ocr.j.ai, and I have taken this document from the PaddleOCR. So if you go to this PaddleOCR VL 1.5 demo page, this is the Hugging Face space page, and there you will find these documents. And here in case of PaddleOCR 1.5, they told us that if your document that not structure and also there is no that much light, and also there are many tables formulas in your document, then also PaddleOCR is best to understand that. So if you understand the first document, there is a issue of light, and also if you see this document, if you only read this document, then it is not that much clearly visible. Okay, but here you see when I gave this document to this GLM OCR, and it has given me the output in a clear way, and also it is providing the markdown and JSON. It means in which position the text is present. So they are able to deliver this kind of quality with the help of one technology that they are using, and the technology is this one. Where is that? Yes, Cogvid visual encoder. So here you see GLM OCR is a multimodal OCR. Multimodal OCR means it not only understand the text, it understand the images also, and it is for the complex document understanding built on the GLM V encoder decoder architecture, means GLM visual model. And also it integrates the Cogvid visual encoder. So Cogvid visual encoder is actually you can think like the eyes plus brain. Okay, eye plus brain, so it can see the image and it can understand that in a clear way. And this Cogvid visual encoder have the capability to differentiate between the tables and the random normal text. Suppose there is a table, and normal OCR, normal traditional OCR, what does that? They understand that table as a random text. Okay, but a table have the column, have the rows, okay, have that T head and T body, but normal OCR does not have that capability to differentiate between the rows and columns. They consider that as a random normal text, but this Cogvid visual encoder has that capability that yes, for a table, this is my rows, this is my column, and this is the divisions, this is my image, and the text is present in this position. So it can clearly understand that. And here you see it is trained on the large scale image text data and a lightweight cross model connector with efficient token downsampling, and a GLM 0.5 billion language encoder. Means after your visual understanding, you have to give the text output. For that they are using this language decoder. So combined with a two-stage pipeline of layout analysis and parallel recognition based on ppdoc layout version 3, and GLM OCR delivers the robust and high quality OCR performance across diverse document layout. Okay, now I have given the link in description. This is the link ocr.j.ai. This is their official website, and here in this portion on the left hand side you have to upload the image. Now after you upload this, you will get your output on the right hand side. Now I can show you the output. Let's say I want to choose this time this document. Okay, this is a different document. I'm opening it. So on the right hand side you will see the output. Okay, so when it is generating the output, let me show you that what other process that you can use. Olama also supports this GLM OCR, so for that they have released Olama run GLM OCR, and this is the usage rule. Like for the table recognition, here you see Olama run GLM OCR. If you write table recognition, then it can do that, and you have to provide the image source. And for the figure recognition, this is the command, and this is the architecture. Okay, one thing is that this model is 0.9 billion parameter only. Here you see with only 0.9 billion parameter. GLM OCR supports deployment via VLM and Olama. And also if you see that PaddleOCR VL 1.5, that model was also 0.9 billion. Okay, but this GLM OCR is actually better than all other existing. So if you see on all of these benchmarks like OmniDoc bench, OCR bench for the text, and these are the formula recognition, table recognition, and information extraction. These are the different benchmarks. It is beating all others. Okay. So now this time this GLM OCR is the number one open source free OCR model that you should definitely try. Let me back to this. Here you see. Now let me place myself on the left hand side so that you can clearly see the output. So this time this was my input, and here you see that there is a issue of the light in this document, but it has given me the output. And now if you see that this is the formula, and it has clearly parsed that formula. This pi icon and this power and this denominator, all of that things it has clearly placed. This is really best, man, because I actually faced the issue to parse this kind of document in case of DeepseekOCR, but PaddleOCR was able to deliver or parse that very beautiful way. But there was a problem in case of DeepseekOCR. But here you see GLM OCR is also able to do that, but in a better way. So that's why if you see the difference between the PaddleOCR and GLM OCR is not that much, only 0.1, 0.2 kind of difference. Okay. So now I will highly recommend you to go with this GLM OCR and test it. You can take the documents from this PaddleOCR. There are multiple documents you will find. So test it and let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section. And if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And all the links are given in description. Please go and check there.